How to fix binkw32.dll. Not found or missing error on Windows. FYI, binkw32.dll is known as the component of RAD Game Tools Bink Video Codec, Coder Decoder. 1 copy the binkw32.dll file from the game's disk. Hint, the file may be saved at /program files, x86, /Microsoft Games /game folder. 2. Copy the binkw32.dll file from the game system folder at /program files, x86, /Microsoft Games /game /system. Then paste the DLL file into /program files, x86, /Microsoft Games /game. 3. Add the binkw32.dll file to the Windows System 32 folder. 4. Steam players, verify integrity of game files. 5. Download and install the missing DLL from the web. 6. Update the game. 7. Remove and reinstall the game.